M0FXB. Welcome to my channel, Digital Ham Radio Diary. FXB, ID-51 and FT3D.
Yes, okay, Tom. We have spoken briefly, and I'll try and keep it quite short actually because I'm but yeah, regards to Paris,
HM75 LS microphone.
Your audio today has lost the echo. You had a bad echo on it yesterday, but I've been listening more than anything lately, and the echo was quite strong. But now there's no echo. There's actually a rumbling behind your audio, which would be like a fan on a computer or something like that, maybe. But did you go to 9990 private? Because if you don't go private, you won't get a response of it. So I did use private on two machines. You know, this is one of the disadvantages of using a software approach is that, you know, in the old days, the hardware amounted to testing a tube or checking for capacitors. Well, you know, when you have a problem with a software approach, there are far fewer things you can do. I mean, you can check for mic gain and overmodulation. You know, the testing available to you is just so limited, and that's why I really appreciate you coming back to me. Yeah, I understand the echo issue. I don't understand its cause, and so that's a bit of a mystery to me. How does I hate to call it bad, but how does the net sound to you today in terms of overall quality, G0JIB, WA2UVC? WA2UVC, G0JIB. I've not listened to it much, Tom, to be quite honest. I've had other things on my mind. But I have had it on basically, but not really paid much attention. The net seems fine. I use an Anytone 868. I do have all the Dude Star, etc., Beatles and everything on the phone and computers. But I do prefer to use the handheld because it's much more...
So we're using the Openspot 3 and the YAESU system. Openspot 3 on the right, we're cross-moding into the ID-51. And on the left we've got the YAESU system using the SCU20 cable. And we're connected to America Link. It's a bit quiet at the moment. And you see the stations coming in here at the top left. Openspot 3 on the right, you can cross mode to any D-Star, DMR, doesn't matter, you can cross mode using any radio really.
So yeah, it takes some getting used to, Tom. But yeah, your audio is quite passable now, but the other station gives you a report. Whether he can hear the number behind your audio, it's nothing to really concern yourself about, Tom, but it is there.
Got the SM17 microphone.
Because, as I said, I'm expecting a phone call. My son, he's not too well at the moment. And,
in the FT3D.
I was very interested in a couple of things you said about cameras and motoration and all you cars, etc. That's soon on WA2 UVC,
Right, we've got someone calling in on FT3D now. So we'll reply to the station on the FT3D. M0FXB returning to you. M0FXB returning to you.
M0 station, didn't get the rest of your call sign. Do apologise, thanks for coming back to the call. Otherwise, just give a shout out on using the link. I haven't used it lately. I'll just give a shout out, see if there's anybody.
So that's the America link.
That didn't come up on my screen. No problem. So M0, question mark, question mark, question mark. This is 2 Echo Zero, Whiskey Papa.
Yeah, good morning. 2 Echo Zero Whiskey Papa. I missed the last bit. Yeah, so coming through loud and clear. I'm on the FT3D using the YAESU here in direct mode. Back to you. Name's Andreas, Western Supermare.
Yeah, no problem. Western Supermare. Yeah, I don't think you come back with your call sign. I was poised to write it down, but no problem. Yeah, it's 2 Echo Zero, Whiskey Papa Lima. So I'm using a post with my 99. No, Lemster. Leo Minster pronounced Lemster on the Shropshire borders. So there we go. 12 miles north of Hereford. So that's me. I won't hold it there. I thought I'd just give a shout out, see if there's anybody about. Thanks for coming back to the call. No problem at all. Just come back with your call sign for the log, and I will go clear on your final. Back to you.
Yeah, Roger. It's Mike 0 Foxtrot X-Ray Bravo. Hopefully that will show up on the Pi-Star dashboard. Mike 0 Foxtrot X-Ray Bravo. Okay, yeah. Thanks for the contact. 7-3. All the best. There you go.
Yeah, 73 M0 Foxtrot X-Ray Bravo. 2 0 Whiskey Papa Lima going clear.
2-0 Whiskey Papa Lima. That's Peter. So, let's see who else is about. Turn back up the ID-51, which is on...
Yes, I'm still here. Yes,
Brandmeister Talk Group 91. Now we can use the Openspot to change it around. We could move it to reflect 30, for example. So we'll go quick setup. I'll just show you how I do it. So just at the bottom here on the right it says quick setup. Then we choose a D-Star radio. We choose where we want to go. And we can change it here. Click connect. And then the radio.
Openspot connected to REF030 Charlie.
So the Openspot will announce where it is. Now if you look, we're in single receive on the ID-51. I know it's quite a bright screen. If you hold down the bottom button, that's dual receive. Now there's my all-star node on the B band. I can activate that by going quick setup, DTMF, and
already in this mode.
There you are. It's telling me we're already connected to my all-star node, which is an analog node. And we can try and have a contact in that. So we go to all-star. So we're using a G7 RPG node. It's a box with a Raspberry Pi inside it. And a CM. There you go. And then we've got the FT3 in the going as well. So let's try all-star. Get the correct microphone. We've got 2 fist microphones. Got the HM75 and the SM17. HM75 is the D-Star one, is the ICOM one. Let's give it a go here. Mike 0 Fox X-Ray Bravo, calling for a contact on HubNet.
I think I heard a piece of a transmission. I'm running through a Zoom spot, so perhaps
You've got some activity on the FT3.
Not sure. KU7, CH7.
So we'll turn that up.
M0FXB, M0H2Y mobile.
M0HOY mobile. Yeah, how you doing? I sat here with a cup of tea, thought I'd call in, see who's about. I'm on the ID-51. Back to you, wonder where you are.
Good morning, Andres. I am just leaving the house. I'm just on my way to the gym.
Remote already in
Turn
this
the radio
mode.
on. I heard you put out.
Remote already in this mode.
Been up a while.
G7RTG connected to VO.
Doing a bit of decoration. It's really bad weather here today. Raining. Hasn't stopped all morning. How's it going down there? Back to you.
Yeah, it's horrible, isn't it? It's just blowing and rainy and... Yeah, it's fine. I've actually up quite late this morning, normally up by, say, 7:30. I didn't get up till about 8:30. My wife's up early, she's taking the dog to the vets just for checkups. It's a new puppy, 4.5 to 5 months old she is. And so I just sat here playing radio, and yeah, I noted that you're going to the gym. I do some exercise. I don't do loads and loads, but I do exercise. Try and keep the ticker going. And I wonder what radio you're on today, Stephen. Back to you.
I'm on the ID-5100 in the car.
There you go. So 7-3, all the best.